What's up, guys? So, scraping leads using Google Maps? Is this science fiction? No, it's reality, and we're going to show you exactly how it works from our friends here at Lead Sniper. So let's dive in. We got some new features and awesome savings to talk about with our pricing, so let's do it.
Alright, so how is it going, everybody? I'm excited to be back with you once again here on the channel for another exciting video from our friends at Lead Sniper talking about the Google Maps scraper, and now it offers support for up to 3 different browsers: Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Brave, which is absolutely amazing. And it now can scrape latitude and longitude of businesses. We got 4 copies open here, so let's roll it and watch the action. Alright, so here we go. Sit back, watch the magic. Maybe you got to go work out, go do some stretching. Maybe you got to go water the garden. Maybe you got to go plow some snow. Do that up while this is doing its thing. It's super fast, very easy to use. As you can see, it does everything for you. No more manual scraping at all. This is all automated. And again, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Brave. Sorry about that. Yeah, and what's cool is you can also download this as a CSV or XLSX file. So make sure you have that Google Drive open. Drag and drop directly from your download folder. That's right, super quick and easy. Right onto your Google Drive and open it up as a Google Sheet. It'll convert automatically, and you're going to get an amazing list of details: the business name, the phone number, the email, the physical address, and of course the website domain, all there for you. Amazing software, does everything for you, super fast and easy. I've been using it, been doing a great job scraping leads for me. So guys, make sure you check it out. All right, so how does all of this work? Well, we're on the website now for Lead Sniper's Google Maps Scraper. Now, you could still get it for $149 for a one-time fee, free trial, and unlimited support, okay? Now, I'm one of those happy 12,000 customers. You can check out some testimonials here about what people have to say, and it's very fast and easy to use. Also, you can check out how it works here as well. Use cases and scraping from over 60 plus fields, and you can scale with enhanced savings. But before we get into the pricing, I do want to tell you guys about something really cool from Google Maps Scraper. You are going to get unlimited leads using Google Maps, okay? So one thing I also want to mention is that Lead Sniper products can scrape email addresses, which users can then use for their cold email outreach. That's right. So if you have email outreach to do, you can use this program for that. And all of these tools are going to save you time. They're going to eliminate the manual searching and help businesses or marketers easily find targeted leads to grow their network and reach potential clients more effectively. Okay, so now I know that you guys want to hear about the pricing packages, and we're going to do that right now. So let's dive into that. Okay, so here we are on the pricing page. Simple, transparent pricing, and some things have changed with this, but pretty much still awesome products here for you guys. Scale with enhanced savings. We're going to talk about that right now because that's why you are here. So the base price is still $149, but the more people buy a license key, okay, and products, the more discounts they're going to get. So if you have a large business, you have a lot of people in your downline that work with you or work beside you, this is something you're going to be interested in. For example, let's look at the discounts you get when you buy more license keys down below. So 10 licenses, $700 for a total savings of 47%. Amazing stuff. 20 licenses, $1,728 for a total savings of 58%. 30 licenses, $2,906 for a total savings of 65%. That's incredible. 50 licenses, $5,215 for a total savings of 70% off. But we also have our enhanced team licenses as well. So if you've got between 5 to 30 users, you're going to get a 35 to 62% enhanced volume discount. That is phenomenal. Priority technical support and custom training sessions, and you can pay your way crypto, PayPal, or credit card, okay? But we also have our enhanced enterprise solutions as well. This can have 30 or more users, okay? You're going to get up to 70% enhanced bulk discounts. You're going to get a dedicated account manager and custom workflow setup, and you can pay with credit card, PayPal, or crypto. If you want to get bulk or team pricing, then all you have to do is contact sales.
All right, so as you can see, what an amazing demonstration and great new features and pricing for Google Maps Scraper from our friends at Lead Sniper. Rock your business. Click the link down below and get it today. We'll see you in the next video.